Hi, my name is Bailey-James. I'm with HTPG and Russell Refrigeration. Today we're out here at Tropic Supplies to help celebrate their 50th year anniversary, and we're going to be talking about Econet powered evaporators. Econet evaporators save energy by going to 50% on their off cycles. Econet evaporators maximize energy by using less compressor runtime as they operate. We can also eliminate icing up on the coils with our defrost features. When installing an Econet evaporator on a job site, you can use this to tie in from one condenser to several different evaporators to maximize defrost times and run cycles on a job site. So with Econet powered evaporators, you have the option of using our command center. This does a lot of cool functions for you when you're on a job site. This will basically run in place of a thermostat on the side of the walk-in cooler or freezer. As we cycle through here, you can hit these three bars in the bottom left corner, and we can go over into status. This is really cool. It gives you a quick deep dive into the unit, so you can see all the sensors and everything, how the unit is running and operating when it's up and running on the job. Then we can go back and we can actually go into settings, and you have some basic settings in here which will show you alarm enabled, screen locks, temperature display, etc. And then we can actually go into the date and time to be able to set that, so as every alarm code comes up, it's accurate with the time. As we go back, we can go over to service, and this does a few good things for you. Under the support option, the contractor has the ability to put in their email and phone number, so if the owner of the facility does have an issue and maybe they forget, they can reach out to them. We do have the default HTPG contact in there, so they can call the factory directly if they did have any questions or need support on the unit. Moving back, we can go into history here, and this will show you any alarms or triggers or faults that may have happened with the piece of equipment. This documents everything in there, which is really nice for the contractor to understand what's going on as they arrive to a job site. We can go into the equipment details, and this will give you the model and serial number of the piece of equipment, so if there was an issue and they needed to look it up for warranty, or just needed to contact the factory for a replacement, they at least have the information at a touch of a button. Another great thing here is we can go into test. Right now the unit is in defrost, but you can manually hit start or stop and it will change. You can see the EXV will throttle up and the fan will turn on as well. Once again, I'm Bailey-James with HTPG and Russell. We want to give a huge shout out to Tropic Supply. Thank you for letting us come out and help celebrate your 50th year anniversary and talk about Econet powered evaporators. If you guys have any questions on the product, please reach out to a Tropic sales manager, or you can contact HTPG. You can go on our website, htpg.com, and you can go to our contacts and reach out that way. Thank you.